All right, so quick little video here. Went to the steel yard. Those are 1.5 inch square tube, 095 wall. Not as heavy as that stuff. That's 1.5 inch, 188 wall that made that cart. I got some little goodies here out of the cutoff bin. Super cheap, about $1 a pound. By today's standard, I don't know if that's good or bad. I got these little mounting plates. Might use them for casters, might use them for something else. I do have a table that I'm going to build. I need to get some square tube and bar stock for that. But we're using the Art Captain MiG 200, which is this machine over here. And Art Captain liked this cart that I built so much that they used it about 3 times in their advertising. I got a discount code for you. Go to Art Captain. I'm going to leave a link. And use code Midnight Customs at checkout and save yourself 5%.